My name is Nur Ifan Nafisha binti Nur Azlan. Nomometry is 01DDT23F1098. So today I want to explain about this project too. For order table fields, names, text match the name input fields likely storing customer names or order identifiers. Menu text reference the selected item from a menu, for example, pepperoni pizza, Hawaiian pizza, Sprite, Coke and other else. For the price numeric correspond to the price fields, possibly linked to a separate menu items table for dynamic pricing. For the quantity, integer, the number of units order relationships likely connects to a customer and a menu item table via menu and price. Menu item table reduced from the menu and price fields. This table will store item ID primary key for item name, text, for example, pepperoni pizza. This item price for this use numeric. Ensure consistency, allowing price to update globally without manual input in the form. Customers table store customer detail like customer ID, name, contact info, and order history. How the form interacts with the database. Data entry, the input fields need menu, price, quantity directly to columns in the orders table. When a user submits in this form, a new record is insert table display. The empty table below the fields likely pulls data from the order table showing existing or recent orders. The asterisks might indicate a placeholder for unsafe data or a required field. Navigation features the implied navigation buttons mentioned in the image analysis suggests database supports browsing, filtering, and editing records. Next, previous button for record navigation. Key relationships order menu items. The menu and price fields likely use a forage key to ensure valid menu items are selected order for the customer. The name fields could link to a customer profile to enabling order history tracking.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Ainusna binti Razali and my matrix number is 01DDT23F119. So today I will continue to explain about object control implementation. So for the first one, we got the drop-down menu for the pizza, pasta, side dish, and also the beverage. It is used to select the pizza type, pasta type, side dish type, and also the beverage type. As you can see, we're also using the same drop-down menu to choose the quantity of the menu. So moving on to the customer information controls, we got the text input field to allow customer to input their name, and we also got the membership selection, which is we use the radio button for choosing yes or no for the membership status. Last but not least, we got the action button. So first one is the preferences button. The preferences button used to choose from the light mode or dark mode so that user can choose based on their preferences. And lastly, we got the exit button. Exit button used to close the application or the window.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Zahira Insanis binti Zaman and my magic number is F1087. So for now, I'm gonna explain the part which is menu and sub-menu. So as you guys can see on my right side, this is the project one that we did before. And for the menu, just you can see on the combo box, the list of the menu that we have. Macam mana cara kita nak masukkan menu tu, which is masa kita buat tu ada satu arrow kecil kat atas dekat combo box tu, kita tekan situ and masukkan all the list of the menu yang kita nak. Macam pizza, kita ada pizza apa, pasta apa, side apa, beverage apa, pizza kita ada carbonara, and so on. So that is for the menu and sub menu. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Zahira Insanis binti Zaman and my magic number is F1087. So for now, I'm gonna explain the part which is menu and sub-menu. So as you guys can see on my right side, yeah.
For the sub-procedure are used for actions like changing team, selection item and placing order. For example, button place order. Click handles full order processing. CBO pizza selected intentions display pizza image. Currently, the system doesn't use a function, but it could be improved by converting calculation into function like private function calculate total as a decimal to make the code more readable and clean.
So now I'm gonna explain about the database. So dekat project kita dah buat tu, kita kena add new item kat data service based database. Lepas jangan lupa namakan kita punya database tu as apa yang memang dah kita nak. Lepas tu dekat kita punya Server Explorer kita kena refresh dulu tau button tu supaya kita boleh activate kan dia punya data connection dengan kita punya database yang kita baru buat tadi tu. So kita kena right click dekat database on the table project, kita kena add new table. So basically kat sini untuk database ni kita punya attribute semua kita ada name, lepas tu kita ada menu, price and quantity. Lepas kita dah masukkan semua ni, dekat bawah tu kita ada coding yang kita kena tukar nama dia which is TBL lah. Sebab dia dah nama memang kita beri is TBL, kalau tak dia tak jalan. So kita kena tukar jadi TBL. So untuk name, menu, price and quantity kita masukkan je semua benda yang kita nak. Benda semua. And then macam kita boleh nampak kat sini which is the database yang kosong punya. And on the right side is the database yang kita dah masukkan kita punya information, semua data that we want untuk kita keluarkan output dia nanti.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Edina Batrisha binti Muhammad Amir. My matrix number 801DDT-F1121. So right now I will explain about exception handling. So as you can see, you need to add, try and catch at the TBL pizza binding, and then you can add message box to make sure that when the error occur, the message box will appear. As you can see from the picture, when you click button add, and then if you don't fill the field, then the message box will appear. So you need to fill the field first, and then you can click the button save and it will save. So the function of exception handling is because when the problem occur, so that it will just show the message box and the coding will not pop up. It can make the interface will be smooth and looking good.
So now I will show you how to purchase food from our shop. So for the first one, choose the type of the pizza, which we got 3 types of pizza you can choose from, and then choose the quantity, how many you want. And then for the pasta, we also got 3 types of pasta you can choose from, and also don't forget to choose the quantity of it. Then moving on to the side dish, we also got 3 types of side dish you can choose from, and then select the quantities. Last but not least, choose your beverage. And as you can see, the picture has changed based on the menu that you have choose. So next, input your name as customer. So you have to input your name and select the membership status, whether you're a membership or not. So then place your order. Okay, once you click the place order button, it will show you the order confirmation, which is the summary from your order, and it will show you the total price for all the dishes you have to choose, and that's all. So now I will show you how to purchase